Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grays Retreat and I'm here to talk to you and show you how to use the Circular Hydration Serum. This is relatively new to Dermalogica range and it's lovely. It's just really lovely. So if you're dehydrated, and most of us don't drink enough water, and most of us lose a lot of water from our skin. Heating, things like that can really suck our skin quite dry. So this is a really nice serum just to add a little bit more hydration, water to your skin, water content. It will make your skin feel really plump and really firm as well as hydrated. So this is a dropper. So what you do is you drop about 3 or 4 drops into your hand. And then you're going to massage into your skin. You would have already cleansed your skin, double cleanse, so pre-cleanse with your prescribed cleanser afterwards. You may have exfoliated and done a mask as well. If not, then you've double cleansed, you've jumped out the shower, you've dried your skin off, you've toned, so you've spritzed your skin with a nice toner, and then you're going to apply your serum. I'm going to add a little bit more on. I feel like I need a little bit more. I haven't drank enough today probably. Okay, so you're going to add this onto your skin. I really like to also pat it under my eyes because we're always very dehydrated under our eyes. This is really nice under the eyes. And it's really going to give me that hydration. And what this serum does, why it's called circular, is because it actually fills your reservoirs up. So you've got that backup of water. So whenever your skin starts to get a bit dehydrated, it comes back, comes in, fills your skin up, and then hydrates. So you've always got that backup, which is really good. So it literally prevents your skin getting dehydrated once you start using this and keep using it. So as you can see, really hydrating underneath my eyes, across my cheeks. I can get quite dehydrated across this area. Don't forget lip area. Looks really good, doesn't it? Really lovely serum, one of my top sellers. More information will be below. Then you would follow with your eye cream and your moisturiser. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.